Hello and welcome to St Mellons, where this morning we've had a very exciting time in the history of the council's partnership now to develop new council homes in the city in partnership with a company called Gwaith. And you can see we've got the Lord Mayor with us today, as well as the Cabinet Member for Housing, Councillor Susan Elsmore, just to tell us a little bit more about what this project will actually mean for people here in Cardiff. Susan.
Thanks, Phil. This is a really important landmark, and it's great to be here today with over 30 colleagues from Gwaith and from the council. This is a really important milestone in our new council build. On this particular site, over the road, we will have 200 homes, which will include council homes and also homes under our assisted home ownership scheme. Given we've got just about 8,000 people on our waiting list, it's really crucial that we provide for that need. But also what's going to be great is through our partnership with Gwaith, the Cardiff Living programme, we're going to be creating job opportunities for local people. So this is a really good and fabulous news story.
Fantastic. And Monica, what does it mean for you, both as Lord Mayor and as a local member?
It means tremendous effort on behalf of Cardiff City Council to bring in new housing developments because they're badly needed. I've been here from day one when St Mellons was first built. It was called the New St Mellons in them days, and I've seen the whole area grow. And this is more progress in growing. And quite clearly there is a need for council and private accommodation. What I'm pleased about is that it's going to be mixed, and that will help people mix into the community and be part of the community. And St Mellons and Trowbridge is a wonderful community to represent, and I hope and continue to see it grow. In time, I do believe we'll link up with Marchfield.
Fantastic. So there are around 40 sites, council-owned land, that have been part of this partnership, and we'll see around 1,500 to 1,600 new homes built on those sites over the next few years. Crucially, though, of course, we're also looking to aim for the highest standards in sustainability and design. We have a very clear ambition in Cardiff to be one of Europe's highest quality of life cities, and housing is absolutely at the heart of that. So this is a really exciting day for us here in Cardiff.
Indeed.